Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great. Hope you're having a great start of your week so far. And welcome to this new video on stacks. Had to make a video on that. It's been super bullish. If you, those of you who are in the Cilinix Signal group, if you don't know, I have my own Signal and Premium group. You already know that it's very bullish because we entered a trade on stacks, which we'll talk about. I mean, we'll talk about the early signs of why this could have been a great trade and why we entered it, and how in the next time, if you're not in the Signal group, you could also catch these. All right, so you don't need to be in a Signal group to catch these. There were early signs, so we'll talk about those. But then obviously we also have to talk about what's next. I mean, stacks right now is super bullish. If you look at the open interest and the volume, growing exponentially in the last couple of hours, up from 50 million up to where it is right now at 86 million. So that's a huge increase. So it's still very bullish. So we'll talk about that as well, what's possible in terms of price movements. But first of all, the main reason for stacks bullish momentum, like it was already on my radar the Tuesday and Wednesday when it got this spike. All right, with that spike, that was already showing that something was going on and that potential to spike up was there. So then what you saw, and I'll quickly zoom in a bit more, what you saw afterwards is that the price recovered fairly quickly while Bitcoin was very strong. And we all know stacks is very correlated to Bitcoin. Like usually if Bitcoin rallies, the tokens that are very close to Bitcoin rally too. And stacks is one of those cryptos. That's something you could just know. That may be a little bit more difficult. But all right, so then the price broke above 75 cents and the 0.618 fib right here. Took a break retest, and since then we entered the trade. All right, so got a major bullish breakout. There was reason fundamentally to be bullish on stacks, and that is how you could have caught it. But right now the big question is well, what's next? All right, because you can see on the daily time frame, it's hit a major resistance level right here. After this, we'll really have to start to talk about. Give me one moment. We really have to start talking about like 1.2 and 1.25, which is a huge move that would be. The last time we hit those levels was the 21st of March. So there again, you could have known that Bitcoin was very bullish then, and stacks followed that. And there the situation also was fairly similar. Like you can see this initial move drop down, then a new bullish breakout with a bullish Bitcoin, then the price rallied up. So sometimes, I mean, you can just see in the past, like these cryptos tend to move quite similarly to how they once did. But yeah, so there's basically two scenarios from here. I mean, like I said, the momentum right now is pretty huge. So stacks is going to test 1.05. There's a realistic chance that it just flies through that, so breaks above that on the 1 hour time frame, after which it will continue up to 1.15 and 1.2. It's a possibility. I think it's a little bit more likely, and that's also partially based on that Bitcoin is nearing some strong resistance levels, and like I said, stacks and Bitcoin are very correlated. I think it's a bit more likely that it finds resistance here, and then if it's able to hold 95 cents and then eventually 90 cents, because I think we'll have a bit of a retracement then. If it's able to hold those levels, then I think stacks can rally up higher. In general, I am bullish on stacks. All right, the momentum is here. The market structure is super bullish. We got some major bullish breakouts. So I see no reasons why I would be bearish on stacks for now. Maybe if Bitcoin starts falling down quite rapidly and stacks breaks down below 90 cents, maybe then I would be bearish. But I'll try to keep you updated on that. All right, for now, those are my thoughts. If you do have any questions, let me know down in the comments. But for now, have a great week. Thank you for watching, and bye.